Welcome back to my channel. My name is Paris, and today I will be showing you my skin routine. On a daily, I kind of look like this: hot, dirty hands, or sometimes I even get caught in the rain due to my job. I am a mail carrier, so if I don't follow a skin routine, my skin takes a hit. So today we will be starting off with the FENTY Skin, and I normally activate the cleanser with a little bit of water and just massage it in. For the wipe off process, I normally like to go in with a nice hot rag, and it just does something for me. I love hot rags in the morning. I don't know about you, but that's how I wake up, right on that process. Then we're going in with the toner, and the way I apply it is just pat it right into my face instead of rubbing it. I actually learned that in cosmetology school, and I haven't went back since. Now we're going in with the natrium hyaluronic acid, and we're just gonna massage that right in. This is something newer that I've added to my routine, and it has definitely made a difference. Absolutely love it. Next up is this moisturizer, and it also plays as two parts. It's a SPF and a moisturizer, and it doesn't leave a purple cast on my face like most SPFs, so that's a plus for me. And after that, look at that glow, baby. Nice. Now that I really don't add many things to my face, but I do take in a lot of water, and I love my tea in the morning, and normally with my tea I will add a little bit of collagen. Now I normally add the collagen in with my warm drinks instead of my cold drinks. When I've tried it with cold, and it just sticks. It becomes clumpy and gross, and I can't take it. My hair is very much swoopable. Ever since I took out the faux locks, I've just been wearing it in a bun, and I just straightened it. I've still been using my collagen and also my hair, skin, and nails. And this is my edges with no darkener, no anything on me, boo. Come here, Rafa. We are dog sitting right now. So, nope, not on the face. Just washed that. We're dog sitting right now, so he's making a lot of noise. But that is it for this video.